Subscribe, kids.
And see if it smells like vegetable oil that's been used.
Well, the back door smells fine. So,
guys, I know that I'm normally like a straight man for these things. We are not that way when we're working together. We're really not.
I'm just the idiot friend that's here.
We are way worse when there's two of us.
If you needed any confirmation of what I am, we're literally wearing pit vipers. So I am here for the memes. I am the idiot
He is a
friend.
Daddy Flannel fanboy, doesn't do it. Daddy Flannel, acolyte. Flannel Daddy acolyte. And this is proof.
Grant them, like
yes. Flannel Daddy. Okay, so we should coordinate this. This should be like on 1, 2, 3 kind of shit. We can both. Okay, we're both in frame. Pick a water bottle.
I'll go left, you go right.
Well, yeah.
Or unless you want to start on the right. I'll take left, you take right.
Okay, so the center pair?
Yeah. I'll take left, you take right.
So
we don't cross the street?
No. Got gun down.
Okay. Are we drawing? Like, what's going on?
No, because I don't have a holster for this one.
Me neither. I told you, this is literally my problem right now.
So we're just straight up shoving these striker-fired, no safety pistols in our pants.
Oh, see, look here.
Oh
yeah.
Fuck you. Okay, that part's making the video.
Walther P99. But not. It's the P99 we have at home.
Okay.
AKA Canik PP9.
So, from low ready, on, like, 1, 2, 3, go. Don't hit the beautiful bird.
Beep.
Alright. Do your back 2, I'll do the 2 over here.
Yeah, back 2. I think I nicked it.
There we go.
Yeah, that's a good one.
I was trying to get him to pop upward and it just was not cooperating.
So I have maimed and wounded some water bottles. I guess if there's an association like PETA for water bottles, then they're probably coming for me because you dropped them. I maimed them.
Practice. What does that smell like now?
Smells like
Fried chicken?
no, it's not peanut oil. It just smells like literally like used like oil, like it's been sitting there for a while. Yeah, like
Interesting.
just smells like old. It doesn't smell anything other than old. It doesn't smell burnt in any way. Like it's not. It doesn't have burnt oil smell. It just has like old oil.
A Walther PPK, and you just pour the stuff over it, and when it's done running over it, there's like
I'll never tell you.
there's like a
You'll have to kill me.
Desert Eagle or like a Super Red Hawk or something.
Do you expect me to talk? No, I expect you to shoot.
Fine. Hit a water.
Hit myself with one.
Did you just pocket brass yourself?
No, it didn't quite go in, but
Okay.
it hit me right here.
Woo!
Does it or does it not smell like Mama's fry oil? It literally smells less like oil than it does before.
Interesting.
It's cleaned itself up because it's probably cooked it.
It probably cooked off some of that VOC.
Yeah, it just
baked off whatever was smelling.
yeah, smell it. It's just
I have no sense of smell, so
oh, he's got the Rona.
I've never had a sense of smell. Interesting.
He doesn't have the Rona or patient zero.
Yeah.
It just
46 years ago.
Yeah, 46. So he's a sleeper cell. Not sickle cell, sleeper cell.
I'll be honest, guys. It's coming pretty clean without even any more CLP. It's wiping down really easily. Yeah, it's hard to argue with, guys. Wasn't tacky, did not gum up, no issues, didn't get particularly dirty. It's not like it attracted more crud. The ammo was not particularly clean. We were shooting Herders, which is Winchester White Box, and Wolf. At least I was. I don't know what he was shooting. And then some PMC Bronze. Well, actually, I think it was a lot of PMC Bronze. I think my initial set of mags were all PMC Bronze. So mostly PMC Bronze, a couple boxes of Wolf, and some Herders. And I'll be honest, I'm not going to do a detail cleaning because I never freaking do on this stuff. I don't care on handguns like this. They don't need a detail cleaning. They just need to be clean enough. Once in a while, I'll give them a detail, but it's just going to get dirty again. And from the looks of it, Professional Pew did a really good job. I am not seeing any issues whatsoever. Perfectly happy with that. I'm pretty happy with that. No issues. Did not seem to emulsify or gel up later. It didn't cook off and not work after 100 or so shots. Brian actually said, and maybe I'll insert the clip here, that it smelled less after a while. We did some mag dumps and had done some shooting, and he said it actually started to smell less, like there was less of it in the scent. I have managed to spritz my desk yet again. There we go. But that is a personal failure. I can't blame the product. Their spritzer's pretty good. I'm just a lousy shot with it. So yeah, Professional Pew CLP. I mean, it is 8 ounces for under $20. I think it's pretty good. I had no issues whatsoever. We put a couple hundred rounds through that P80 build, and it was not certainly babied at all. Now, we didn't torture test it. I didn't go, well, let's see how many hundreds of rounds before it fails or how many thousands of rounds before it fails. But, why would you? That's not reality. We're not evaluating this product as, well, what is the ultimate gun lube if you're going to abuse your firearms? From the perspective of somebody who just did a normal range day, yeah, I'm pretty happy. Clean it was quick and easy. If anything, that was easier than normal for me. I think that the pre-applying it and letting it soak in actually seems to have worked with this. I don't know for sure, but normally I get more crap off the gun. I have to spend more time cleaning it to get it to where I got it. Now, who knows? Next time I go to the range, maybe it's cruddier. Maybe I shoot more Wolf and it, cruds up more. But overall, I shot my normal ammo, did my normal thing, and I think I'm happier with that than my normal routine. So that's a win. And thank you to Bravo Belt, Professional Pew. Good product. I appreciate it. I will be continuing to use it. And who knows? Maybe I'll use it in my AR to clean the AR. Ooh. We could clean the 1022. Now, that's been a minute. I don't remember what year it was. At all. It probably was pre-Texas. Yeah, I think I cleaned it before my last trip, before I left for Texas, because I couldn't get it to close all the way. Like, you drop the bolt and it wouldn't seat because of how much crud had built up. Sue me. It's a fun gun, not a practical gun. I clean it when it needs clean. And it's not bad. I only fired like 40 rounds today with it. So, it's not a big deal. But it did get used today, and it's not like I really detail scrubbed it last time. So, adios, gentlemen.